Good news for small businesses. Now you can run your laundry business from home itself. Yes, you heard it right. No three-phase power needed anymore. Introducing SSG Laundry's new range of single-phase laundry machines. These machines are specifically designed for small shops, small hospitals, small hotels, and other commercial laundries. Here are some more benefits of our single-phase laundry machines. Take a look. We have a wide range of single-phase machines to cater to all your requirements. All our single-phase machines have a compact design that will help you save space, and they come with maximum efficiency and benefits. So what are you waiting for? Visit us today at SSG Laundry in Hyderabad, Jeedimetla. You can also WhatsApp us at 738-674-9367. These as SSG Laundry Equipment's manufacturers. We power your business simply.